Hello everyone, welcome back to Savvy Inikz. Today's video is the part 4 of learning how to solve the Rubik's Cube. And if you haven't watched the part 1, 2 and 3 yet, I will have given the links in the description. You can check that videos out. And friends, before that, please new viewers subscribe and press notification bell so that you will receive notification as soon as I upload my videos and you can enjoy watching my videos. So now let's get started. And in this video, we'll be learning on how to form the yellow cross and also the edge pieces of every colors. So first is we're going to solve the yellow cross. And there are 3 possibilities for solving the yellow cross. And we get the 3 possibilities after we have completed solving the 2 layers of the cube. So the first possibility is that you can have 2 edge pieces and 1 corner piece. This is called the hook. So this is the first possibility, and when you get this, you have to make sure that this type of inverted L, that upside down L is facing you. It should not be like this L, or with this reversed L or whatever it is. You have to turn the cube and make it bring like this. Then upside down L. So after you have brought it, we have to move the first 2 layers. We're going to move it to the bottom to the right side. So we're going to move it here. After we have done that, we have to do the right hand algorithm 1 time. Out, left, in, right. And then bring back the 2 layers, front 2 layers to the top again. So now you can see we have formed the yellow cross. So this is the first possibility, which is forming yellow cross from the hook. So the second possibility is that you may have a dot, which is 1 yellow centerpiece. And if you get this, what you have to do is that you have to take the front layer and turn it to the right. And then do 1 time right hand algorithm. Out, left, in, right. And then take the front layer back again and move it to the left side. And then you can see that you have a hook. So when you get the hook, it's simple. What we did earlier for the first possibility, we have to take the front 2 layers, turn it to the right side, do 1 time right hand formula, out, left, in, right, turn the 2 layers back again, and then you will have a yellow cross. So friends, the third possibility is that the bar. You can see that 2 yellow edge pieces are there, and there is also a centerpiece and it forms like a line. So this is called the bar, and from this forming the yellow cross, we need to take the first layer of the cube, the front layer, move it to the right side bottom and do right hand algorithm 1 time. Out, left, in, right, and move back the first front layer to the top again. And this forms the yellow cross. So these are the 3 possibilities on forming the yellow cross, and at some times the yellow cross automatically forms without doing these set of moves. Then you can skip these moves and go on to the next step. So friends, now that we have completed the yellow cross, the next step is that we have to fix the yellow corners in their right place. So for that, we need to find 2 corner pieces which have the same common color. So let's find. Okay, you can see that there are 2 colors here, the blue one here, and there's also blue in this corner piece. And since it's blue, we have to bring it in the blue corner centerpiece. So here it is fixed, and now we have to check if the colors are right. Here red is there and here orange is there, so not right. Here orange is there and here red is there, so not right. So to fix them in the correct place, we need to exchange them. So for that, we're going to take the cube, hold it in the right side and do 3 right hand algorithms. Out, left, in, right, out, left, in, right, out, left, in, right. And then turn the cube to the left side, do 3 left hand algorithms. Out, right, in, left, out, right, in, left, out, right, in, left. And then after doing that, just turn the top layer to the right side and you can see that the colors have been changed and they're in their right place. So after that, now these two corners are right, then remaining two corners are these two. So the opposite color of blue is green, and you can see here these colors are also not right, red and orange, and then orange and red. So again we're going to turn the cube to the right side and do three right hand algorithms: out, left, and right, out, left, and right, out, left, and right. Turn the cube to the left side, do three left hand algorithms: out, right, and left, out, right, and left, out, right, and left. And then turn the top layer of the cube to the right side, and you can see that the colors have been changed. Red is here in the right place, orange is here in the right place. Now you can see all the corners have been in the right place. And then just like we did for the first layer, now we need to turn the cube upside down, which will make the yellow go down and the white come up. Let's turn the cube. Okay, so now after we have turned, we need to fix all the yellow corners by doing right hand, just like we did for these white corners. So let's do until it comes in the right place. Okay, so now that it has come in the right place, what we'll be doing is that we need to turn the last layer of the cube. Just make sure to turn it, the last layer of the cube, not turning the whole cube. Turn the last layer, and you can see this has not fixed, so do right hand formula again. Again, turn the last layer of the cube, and by these steps we need to turn the cube and then fix all the corners so that the whole cube won't collapse and also the colors will be good. So now you can see that we have completed the yellow color, and now you can see that the colors have been changed. No problem, just turn the cube and you can see the corner pieces of every color are in the right place. And you can see that one color has already been done. So now this is it for today's video, and in the next video, the last part of the Rubik's Cube will be that you'll be learning on how to solve the edge pieces of all the colors, and then the whole cube will be solved. So this is it, friends. I hope you all loved the video and you can learn this pretty fast. Just keep practicing and it will be very fast for you. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Savvy Inikz. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye, friends. I'll see you all in my next video.